Greetings everyone, I'm Kenneth Salonga, a student from Bped 2A, and in this video, I'll share my answers in our activity in MPE 7. So let's start with a question. A control system which doesn't have any feedback connected to it is called as open loop system. These types of systems don't depend upon its output. In open loop systems, output is not used as a control variable for the system and it has no effect on the input. It has two major components and those are the executive or the input and the effector or the output. Open loop systems are one-way signal flow systems. As these systems doesn't contain any feedback, the output is not fed back to the input. They are also known as non-feedback systems. In an open loop system, the output can be adjusted or varied by varying the input, but the output has no effect on the input. The output of the open loop system can be determined only by its present state input. If the output is affected due to some external noise or disturbance, the open loop system cannot correct it. Also, there is no chance to correct the transition errors in open loop systems, so there is more chance to occur errors. In a closed loop control system, the control action from the controller is entirely dependent on the desired output. It is fed back through to the input to control the action of the desired output. Closed loop systems measure, monitor, and control the process through feedback to compare the actual output with the desired output. In doing so, it greatly reduces error to bring about the desired output or response. So, going back to the example of open loop control system, we have a person throwing an empty can into a garbage bin. So, the way a person throws a can, it is the executive output or the action to be done. And once a can was already in the bin, that is the effector or the output. Simply throwing a can into a garbage bin, there is no feedback needed. So once again, I am Kenneth Salonga from Bped 2A, and that's all for my answer. Thank you for listening.